The 2021 Facebook updates are rolling out, and this week we are going to be taking a look into the featured photos section of your profile. You used to be able to put 1 to 9 photos in that area, and now Facebook just updated this. Last week, we went over how to add a pinned post to your profile. If you're excited for all the updates that are rolling out, hit that like button. My name is Steph, and I love helping network marketers grow their influence and their profits using social media strategies that work. Let's dive into today's tutorial.
A few days ago, when I opened up Facebook and went to my profile, I got this notice. Story highlights are now in featured. Everything important, like story highlights and featured photos, are in one place. So I'm going to show you in today's tutorial how to set up this area for success as a business owner. I'm going to show you how to create a new highlight in case you don't have one, and then also go over how to change the cover photo for that and give you some ideas of what you possibly might want to use in this highlight section as a business owner that will keep things to your advantage. Okay, so first we're going to open up Facebook and then go to the hamburger menu in the bottom right-hand corner. Click that. Then go over to your profile at the top, and then we're going to scroll down to here where you can see this new featured photo story highlights section. And all you're going to do to create one is click the new button, and then this is going to pop up. Now, it's going to let you add anything from your camera roll to it, so you wouldn't even have to have something uploaded to Facebook already. So you could click any of these, and if you click this see all button at the top, it's going to open up all of your camera roll photos. Okay, so you could do that. I recommend only choosing things that are in the vertical format though. And then you can also create something from your stories. So I could click to see all of my stories. And if you don't have your stories archive turned on, I do have a video that goes over how to do this. I'm not quite sure why it's taking so long to load, but I could click on any of these, add them to. And then it also lets you do any uploaded photos on Facebook and also tagged photos. So then I'm going to click the next button. So here I've clicked a couple pictures, and again, you can type in any title you want. So for this one, because it's a picture of some family members, I'm just going to put family, and then you just click the done button, and then now you've created a new story highlight. If you click on it, it's going to open it up right away, and you're going to be able to see that highlight. Now, let me show you how to edit the cover and then how to use this to your advantage, especially if you're a business owner. So we are going to click on these 3 dots, and then you're going to click Edit Profile at the top. You're going to scroll down to now where it says Featured, and you can click on it and you can edit the featured collection, or you could go ahead and delete it as well. I already deleted some, but now let me show you how to change out the cover photo, okay? So I'm gonna click the edit button, and we're gonna go to my one that says YouTube. Now, here are a bunch of different YouTube videos I made, and I don't really expect people to go through and click through all of these, but right away it lets people know that I'm making YouTube videos, right? Trying to let people know what is available for them. Now, if you click on the cover, then it's going to let you, right now it's just showing that it's blank. You can pick any of the ones that you put in, but you can also make your own. And so I'm going to click this. This pulls up my camera roll, and I am just going to select this picture. I made it in Canva, super simple, Facebook story size, and I have my Bitmoji on there. So I'm going to click the use button. If I wanted to edit the title, I could. I would click this little pencil here on the side, and that would let me edit it. But I'm going to leave it right there saying YouTube. And then you can see if we refresh and we go back to the profile and refresh and scroll down, now you can see that it shows YouTube right there. One of the reasons why I like adding in the specific photo is it really makes it pop. Now, you can see naturally on the profile, only about 4 of these show up. If we view this as someone coming to my profile, say for the first time, and they were to scroll down, right now I have 3. I have YouTube, proof is social proof, like testimonials, and then I have pictures of my boys, which I don't really expect anyone to watch, but at this point I'm not quite willing to delete it yet. That is how to edit the cover photo of your featured area. I would recommend doing something that stays true to your branding, and you can see that the black really makes it pop and stand out. Other ideas of what you could add would be something like this: tips or hacks or benefits if you sell a product. Anything to really attract people with value. If you have a lead magnet, you could include it in there. And so here you can see social tips. So if I wanted to add to this, again, all I do, click those three dots, scroll down, edit featured collection, add more, and then here you can see you can add in stories, you can add in uploaded photos, or photos that you're tagged in. So for me, if I wanted to see all of my stories, I click that, and then I could just scroll and find some of the different things that are helpful, different social tips that are helpful for people. There's a lead magnet I made, another one, how to create videos with animation, when's the best time to post on Instagram, how to make carousels. So anything that's of value I could put here because it's under social tips, and then I click the done button, and then it's saved. And then, as I already showed you, I could go back in and add a new cover photo to that. I hope this video is helpful when you're looking at how to update your profile.
Now head on over to parisipack.com and check out my course, The Secrets of Social Selling. 9 secrets in just 90 minutes, the fastest way to level up your business and your bank account using social media right now. If you haven't already, hit that button to subscribe and the bell to get notified when I release next week's video if you're digging these tutorials. And that's all I got. I'll see you next week.